Hey guys, in this video, I'll show you how to connect Calendly to Framer website. All right, so let's begin with the video. So we have a basic Framer website right here. Now, if we go to the top left where it says Insert, and then come down to where it says Forms, under the Forms, if we go to where it says Embeds, what you want to do is click on where it says Calendly. That's going to create a Calendly embed, which we can go ahead and drag anywhere we want to on our Framer website. So I'll just drag it right here. And now what we need to do is click on the Calendly embed, come over to the right-hand side, and then go where the Calendly section is. We need to change the calendar from the default value it gives us. We need to change this to our Calendly event. The way you can find this is by going to your Calendly account. Then you want to go to where it says Event Types, and then you want to select the event that you want to add to your Framer website. So I just have this basic 30-minute meeting one, and what I'm going to do is actually just copy the end of this URL. So calendly.com, and then whatever that value is, go ahead and copy that like so. Then let's go ahead and paste that into this Calendly input here. If we hit enter, we should now see our event listed. If we hit the preview button at the top right, we can see that Calendly event, and we can go ahead and allow the user to set up a meeting. So that's basically how you can connect Calendly to Framer website. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.